to everyone. This is from Deep Maths. The question is again find derivatives of the following functions. What is the function given? X square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. First of all, take this as function f of x equals to x square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. Okay. So f of x equals to what you will get? Multiply these two. X square into 4x cube you will get 4x power 5 because see a power m into a power n equals to a power, let us write that formula here, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Here x square into 4x cube equals to 4 into x power 3 plus 2 which is equals to 4x power 5. So using this we get here 4x power 5 if you multiply. Now plus x square into 1 is x square. Next 3 into minus 3 into 4x cube, that is 4 3 is 12. 1 into x cube is x cube. Next minus 3 into plus 1 minus 3. Okay. Now taking derivative of the function, that is f dash of x equals to d by dx of 4x power 5 plus rearrange it minus 12x cube plus x square minus 3. Yes, understood? What is f of x? This one. Whereas we have derivative this side, this also we have to derivative, right? Take the derivative of this also. So you got d by dx of some term 1, 2, 3, 4 terms we got. That we have to find the derivative. How to find? You have formulas again here to use. Let us write that formulas again. D by dx of x power n which is equals to n into x power n minus 1. Okay. And one more we are using here is d by dx of some constant. Any constant is equals to 0. These two we are using here particularly. Okay. So f dash of x is equals to, first one is what? How we can write this? D by dx of 4x power 5 minus d by dx of 12x cube plus d by dx of x square minus d by dx of 3. Like that we have to separate each term using their symbols before. Okay. Now what you will get here? This is using this formula. N is 4. Here. Okay. The question, this is the question. D by dx of x power n. This whole is, if you take as x, power n is 5. So what you will get? N into x power n minus 1 means 5 into 4x power n minus 1. What is n here? 5 minus 1. Understood? And for this also same you will get minus 12 into x power 3 minus 1. Okay. This also you will get in the same manner. 2 into x power 2 minus 1 minus, here you got this d by dx of a constant. Is 3 constant or not? We can't change the value of 3. 3 is 3 itself. 2 is 2 itself. In the same way you can't change that value. No, 3 equal to 4 can you do? No, we can't do. So the value which is not changing, we call it as constant, right? So d by dx of a constant, d by dx of constant you will get 0. So minus 0. That equals here 5 into 4, that is 20 x power 5 minus 1 is 4 minus 12 into x power 3 minus 1 is 2. So x squared plus 2 into x power 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2x. This is 0, no need to write. Understood? In that way we are using here elementary properties which I am specifying for every, and this is the property for exponents, from exponents and powers, right? This you will get in even primary classes also. Got it? Understood? If you can't understood, please specify the doubts in the comments section.